I want to taste it really bad. Hi guys, I'm Jalisha and welcome to Lally's Keto Kusina. I'm doing a shout out today to my cousin, Kicker Ash or Shella. Thank you for promoting my channel. I owe you a lot. I know that I haven't seen you for a long time. I miss you too. And I hope when I go to Philippines, I can meet you again. The other day, Darren ordered buffalo wings in his favorite pub, Brewdog. And oh my god, I'm not even kidding. It looks really, really nice. And I was like, oh, can I taste some? I want to do this. I want to try and make this like keto adapted buffalo wings. So today I decided I will do the keto crispy buffalo wings. If you just bump into my channel and enjoying this video, you might want to check my other videos about low carb recipes and keto friendly treats and desserts. I have posted Keto Twix bars, the Keto chocolate chips cookies, I have Keto chocolate cups, and also I have also made a video about your homemade chocolate chips for baking. So if you fancy looking into those videos, I'll put the links in the description section below so you can all check it out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. And then if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be updated with my future recipes uploads. Here are our ingredients for our keto buffalo wings. So I will be using Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. I got this from Amazon. So I will put the link in the description section below, but you might want to check Morrison, Asda, and Waitrose. I've read somewhere that they've got this there. I'll also be using baking powder. And you might be asking me, why am I going to put baking powder in the chicken? And the reason being is the baking powder reacts to the chicken wings. It's the chicken fat. And then what it happens is when you bake them, it makes the actual skin very crispy. But guys, just remember, before I forgot, don't mistake this to baking soda. It doesn't work. Just use the baking powder. I will also be using onion granules, garlic salt, smoked paprika, my salt and pepper, my favorite Kerrygold butter, and my chicken wings. So now, let's try and prepare our chicken buffalo wings. 30 minutes. This will now go into the oven for about 20 minutes for 200 degrees Celsius. Here are our crispy wings. They're partly cooked, and what we will do is we will toss them in our buffalo sauce and put it back in the oven for further 10 minutes. So we finally finished our Keto crispy buffalo wings. So now we're gonna taste it. Let's taste it. I'm going to dip it in my mayonnaise. We normally serve this with blue cheese, but I don't like blue cheese, so I'll dip it with my mayo. It's hot. Oh my god. It's very crispy and spicy. But I'm telling you that baking powder did the trick. You got the crispy chicken skin, and then you got the taste of the buffalo sauce, and then you got the spice, so all blending in your mouth. It's really nice. Oh my god, I've got my buffalo wings then. I don't have to order from Brudo because I can make my own, and it's keto friendly as well. So the verdict is 10 out of 10. If you really like chicken wings, this recipe is a must-try, guys. It's really tasty, but also very easy to make. So if I were you, I'll go to my local supermarket and buy some chicken wings and make the buffalo wings. So let me have my dinner now. I'm actually starving. And I'm not even kidding, haven't eaten all day today. So this is my treat. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and put some comments on the comment section below. And if you have any suggestion or request, put it in there and I'll be happy to read it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be updated with my future low-carb recipes uploads. If you watch my previous... If you just bump into my channel and actually enjoying this video, you might I have the Keto Twix bars, I have the Cheeto. Thanks guys for watching. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.